You are not killing this Leona, man. You are not killing her. I'm sorry to tell you. Kenny from the block. Alright. I'll keep this. Where is it? Where's my prodigy? I'll keep this on. But if we're given the Soul Fighter emblem, I'll give it. I'll definitely go Soul Fighter. They wouldn't do it in a fighting game, right? I don't think so. Not Riot. Surely not Riot, right? Bzz. That's a good item for Prodigy. Wow. What's her name? What's her name, chat? The girl Vi fights. Yeah. I don't want to look it up. I want to try and remember. I've watched Arcane so many times. It starts with an I think.
Look at us making new memories.
Some armor action. Okay. Garun. Civica. There we go. There's an I in there. That wasn't too far. I'll just drop both Garens. I didn't miss a Soul Fighter today. Let me buy this Lux.
We can do this.
Soul Fighter is ST right now. I played a lot of Tekken 8 when I was at high school. Feels nostalgic. Tekken 8? Isn't that right now? Is it? Are we at 9? When I was in high school, I played like Tekken 5, I think. Nope. Protagonist. Prismatic ticket. When you level up, get a free share equal to the number. Buying XP costs 1 less. Gain 2 health and whenever you level up. Okay, that doesn't sound too bad.
We can do this.
Wow, we have absolutely nothing. Maybe we do this. Should have probably put in Kenny. Hold on to that, sucker. I don't know. She's temporary. Zach Vi, huh? I'll grab the Vi.
Boom, baby.
Boom, baby. Was 3, I don't know, excuse my old ass. Could be Mortal Kombat A2. What? How old are you? Oh. Hello, Rakan. Alright, we're back. We're back. And we need Kenny. Did I didn't sell Kenny. Forget you. Fan service. Wait, I shouldn't have done that. Oh, man. I switched to Kenny now? I'm going to change that. Sell, 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 sell. 25? I'm old? Don't say that. I'm 31. Oh, crap. I should have gave this to Ezreal. 25 is not old. In fact, I heard 30 is the new 18. Right, chat? 30 is the new 18 is what I heard. The Q was wasted. Oh, she's got Bastion. He wasted a Q.
I may have won, but I still have a long way to go.
I like Guilty Gear and Garu Mark of the Wolves. I have no idea what you're talking about. Ooh, Swain.
Victory awaits.
40 is the new 20? Yeah. Yeah. There you go. You got it. Is that better? I'll hold on to the Swain. No, this has to be better. Let me fix this. I hate the Tank Zula. 30 is near death. Oh my gosh. Wait, this guy has Crystal Gambit. But he's doing Mighty Mech. Oh, he was just about to tank Zilla, man. One more kill, please? Please? One more kill? No! I turned it on, okay. Alright, we want the Negatron. If not, the Yasuo would be good. Just for the BF sword. Preferably the Yasuo, I think. Alright, Gunblade is done. They didn't revert Malzahar's nerf, right? Because I'm seeing him being played again. Nasu. Just enough to get to 20. I'll sell one. If it's a win, no need to sell the other one. What does it cost? 2 less? Okay, 1 less, gain health, 2 health, and 2 free rolls whenever you level up. Okay. Maybe we go for the Malzahar 3. Chill, Daron. Okay, he tanked 2. That's pretty good. Wait, what is this aura around him? Is that Janna's? No! One more kill. You switched! It must be the Janna shield, right? We go level 10? Oh, that's good.
You got something to say?
I don't know, depending on how well we're doing. Rakan 2 is huge. Throw in Syndra next. Rel would have been nice. I didn't miss a Rel, did I? Is this worth? I think this is worth more. Okay. Level 10 is tough to get to. 9 is doable. 10 is you gotta be having a really good game to go to 10. Oh, just about. Chill, GP. Oh my gosh, Ezreal. You wasted a Q on a dummy. You wasted a Q on a dummy, Ezreal. That should have been a win. Did he have stretchy arm?
Let's end this quick.
I'll go for the Protector. I think that's worth more. Ooh.
We fight together.
There's Rel. Is that worth more? No, I really need a Protector in there. Don't need the Swain, though. Let's do some scout action. Mighty Mech, Supreme Cell, Heavyweight, Sniper, Monster Trainer, Battle Academia, Bastion, Wraith, Duelist, Juggernaut. Okay, we're not contested. Unless the Heavyweight guy... Looks like he's not going Malzahar. Armor? Oh no, Negatron. HP's good. Let's go! Oh, yes. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord.
I will not hold back.
Getting a lot of Ezreals. Alright, Malzahar's better. Throw this right here. Take this out of here. And throw it right here. We hit 6, we throw in Rel. Oh, no, we throw in Syndra, sorry. Don't need Swain. Okay. Looking decent. Some Nar 3 action. The Sunfire kind of counters us with the Spear Visage. I'm not going to be able to kill him. But backline though. Malzahar though. Malzahar though. Not enough time. Mundo's still busted. Corrosion. Don't need that. Wow, that's good. Nope. Nope. I'll take that. And I'm just going to use it right now. Oh, no, never mind. I thought I'd get 2. It's a different one. Malphite? Nah, I like the Kenny stun. Okay. Probably don't need the Rel anymore. I'll hold on to her, though. I don't know what I'm doing with the curve bow. Could be a void staff. Could be a void staff. Maybe a I don't like Nashers on Malzahar. I remember you. Not gonna win this time, sucker. At least I don't think so. Is he going? What is this? It's not the Bastion Yasuo build. Oh, it's lost. No. How many Bastions does he have? Is that 4? He didn't even pick up his stuff.
We fight together.
I'm just gonna jump in. We can sell the Malphites. Okay. XP is pretty cheap, huh? Should have no issue getting to 8. Now, is it Yumi carry? We'll see. I can't remember if Yumi got buffed. For 2x KO, do we need a controller or mouse keyboard is fine? They said it's playable on both, but I'm gonna probably do a controller. I'm used to controllers with fighting games. I'm not getting Tankzilla off. I need to put my units up front. Wow, everyone's kind of having a good game. This is rough. But then again, I mean, we don't have the tank items. Yeah, I'm most likely gonna do controllers. Ooh. You know what? Oh, too late. I grabbed it. I was considering the Leona. Because we're lacking the front line now. She does have a tier. It's a good item. Alright. Who is going Eon? Probably do this. Alright, Yumi. It's up to you. I'll just use the duplicators, most likely to get Malzahar to 2. Yeah, let's move him up there so Tankzilla can activate. Okay, some Kale action. There it is. There we go. Let him know. We gotta hurry though. There we go.
I boxed them all.
Yes, you did. Is that enough? I think I'll do it. Hold on to that, sucker. 2-second gameplay equal to mana regen. Yes. I could go... I mean, this makes more sense. Yeah, this is optimal. But I mean, we can throw him in now. Maybe Udyr.
I choose this fight.
Let's do Udyr. We can sell the Rel. And if it's a loss, I'll just sell an Ezreal. I remember you too. Mechs, man, it's just impossible. It's impossible to beat mechs. I don't know what it is. Mechs are just impossible to beat. I always lose to mechs. Mechs and crew. I don't know how. Whenever I'm against a crew or mighty mech player, it's usually a loss. Alright, we're jumping to 8 after this.
If you're not first, you're last.
By that, increase our chance to get Yumi. BF. Not a fan.
I may have won, but I still have a long
Wow.
way to go.
Bad items. Bad items.
Rubbing my head on you means you're mine.
Let's end this quick.
Let's get this sparkle party started.
Battle boils the blood.
Need to go flex. CUTMRW. Good luck.
Alright, Rain. Take care. Thanks for hanging out. Nice.
Ooh, ooh, get him! Ooh!
Wait, was that mine? That orb? Do I really have to Shojin? I have Reforges. I should have used the duplicator on Malzahar. There's so much I should have done. I believe! Uh-oh. Okay, whew. Sell. Bye. Alright, let's reforge some stuff. I definitely don't need that curve bow. Okay, that's good. Ascension action. Ooh, that's not bad. That's not bad. Upgrade, huh? Wow. If he was Prodigy, I'd grab him. I think it's the upgrade, right? You always go for the upgrade. Nico's good. Wow, these all suck. I'll just give this to Malzahar. I should have completed the items first. That was a misplay. HP? Dang. Alright, 2 AP then. Throw this over there. Duplicate of the Malzahar. Okay. Got a lot done there. Let's reforge a BF. Don't need the armor. What does this do? Use on a champion to remove all items and break them into components. Oh. We hit the Yumi too. Now we just gotta find Leona. And that's 5 Battle Academia. We just gotta find the Leona. Oh crap. Oh, I sold the wrong one.
What you say about my mama?
Set.
If you're not first, you're last.
Don't need the Rakan. Ezreal can get out of here.
Don't miss.
Malzahar Karma.
Now we prove our courage.
What do you
That's
fight
better.
for?
Okay. Sell, sell, and sell. Power snacks are good. We're gonna obviously change him to Leona once we find her. It's the mech guy. Can I beat him this time? Oh yeah, I just realized Rise is here. I gotta find another. I gotta find Kaylin or Jace. I forgot about Rise. Ash, what are you doing here? I'll buy the Karma since that guy's probably gonna look for her. I need a Giant's Belt. Or AP. I think I'll take that Janna. Come to Papa. I don't think so, sucker. Worth. Gigaworth. Alright, gotta find Kaylin or Jace or Leona and replace the Rise. After that, we hit Leona 2 and we go for 9. If I can.
Follow my voice.
I mean, it's definitely that. Wow, hold on. Okay, so we replaced the Cassante. I still have to find Leona. Nice. Bam! Is Leona 1 better than Rakan 2? I'm pretty sure she is. I don't need that. Don't need that. Don't need that. Sell those. Okay. Prodigy 5. Prodigy 5. We have the utility Morello from Malzahar. Negative damage. Looking good, chat. Looking good. I'll wait until after Thresh's Beast to decide what to do with those. Alright, let's try and find... Oh, baby.
Stand and fight.
Maybe, maybe. I'm a believer.
If you're not first,
Wow.
you're last.
Oh, dang.
What do you fight for?
Alright, I'll chill. I'll chill. I should have... I'll move the items on her after this. 3 Yumis away, by the way. 3 Yumis away. We don't go... We have to... Do we have to go 9? Or do we stay at 8? Percentage is higher. Dizh. Hang in there, buddy. Yeah. We definitely got it this one. Kisses.
I bopped them all.
Can't get to 10. I overspent. Overspent. Alright, let me do this right now. This, that, and that. Okay. Stand alone is good. Especially with all that health regen and warmogs. Alright, we want some AP action.
Dazzle 'em.
I may have won, but I still have a long
One
way
off.
to go.
Wow, garbage items.
If they insist on a fight, I will oblige them.
Let's go. Okay.
I will break their line.
That for sure. And... what does that give? Crown Guard. That's Ionic Spark. Do we play it safe and go Gunblade? I have 2 Reforgers. Our chances are pretty high. Nice. Double Archangel. Double Archangel. Can't say no to that.
There's nothing we can't do together.
Alright, we go 9. We throw in Cassante. Go 9, throw in Cassante, and we are golden. In the meantime, we try and find Yumi just randomly. I still have a duplicator, I just realized. That's wasted. Alright, scout action. Oh, he's got the drift duo. Oh, this is where oh, it's not he's not jumping into the mag. That's not the one I was thinking of. The second and third place are Mighty Mags. That's the third place guy. He got a good stun off. But does it matter? I don't think it matters. I don't think it matters. Oh, you are not killing this Leona, man. You are not killing her. I'm sorry to tell you.
I may have won, but I still have a long way to go.
Chillin'. 45. I should rush, huh? Once we have the money, I'll rush. Throw in Cassante, keep the win streak alive. Oh, man. Wow, he's at 10. Huh. Okay. This guy's a little bit worrisome. Bastion, heavyweight. Sniper. Dude's playing sniper and he's still alive. Wow. Caitlyn 3 with no items. What? Aren't you supposed to give all those items onto her? Atomic bomb. He has all the items on the 1-star Jinx instead of the 3-star Caitlyn. That makes no sense to me. I see the Seraphine. I like the Jeweled Gauntlet, though. I give Malzahar the Archangel. I'll take a Jeweled Gauntlet. We have Morello's, so we don't need the burn. Okay, I want the Jeweled Gauntlet. Nice. Nice. I give one of those Archangels to Malzahar. Nice. Chad, do you believe we find the Yumis? Do you believe we'll find the Yumi, chat? Well, let's sell that and buy that.
Let's get this sparkle party started.
Are we? We're not there yet. Yeah, we're too. I could have rushed. I could have rushed. I should have rushed. That was a misplay. Oh my goodness! Is there a level 10 Kale? No, it's only 9. Oh man, this guy's tough. This guy's tough. He's got so much backline damage that hits my backline. And his Varus is still not a level 2. I don't think we beat that guy. I need someone else to beat him. Probably give those items to him. We'll get the magnetic after that.
They aren't gonna like
Okay.
this.
3 Yumis. Check. We can find 3 Yumis. I don't. No faith in your favorite streamer. Ew. Mighty Mech. We beat this guy, didn't we? I don't like where this Yone is. Oh, I don't like where this Yone is. Okay. He switched focus. Oh, no! Tapafuru! You got a nasty stun from that. I should put Syndra over here just so his units don't go like this. Put Ezreal there too. Something like this. Maybe Malzahar right here. Okay.
I can do this.
I can do this, chat. I can do this. Lost has faith in me. Lost has full faith in me. For cost, gold. I believe. We can find her. Especially suited for them. Blue buff. Okay. There's no way I can... There's no way I can get the Malzahar there.
Boils the blood.
Ah, crap. Alright, next turn. Couldn't find any Yumis. GP3. Okay, Jarvan didn't get the stun, but it looks like it doesn't matter! How are we hard losing? Okay. Find the Yumi. We have one mission, and that is to find the Yumis.
Follow my voice.
Or at least a Cassante, okay?
This is my fight. I may fail, but
It's not gonna happen. It's not gonna happen. That's the best I can do. Yep, there's the kill guy. He hit the Varus too. Chill, Varus, chill!
Your turn.
Chill! Oh my gosh, my backline! No! GG.